What is EPS topic? EPS topic test, also called KLT, is conducted by the Ministry of Employment and Labor of South Korea for the selection of foreign workers to work in Korean manufacturing units, construction sites, agriculture, etc. It tests the language skills of potential foreign employees to make sure that they can perform their duties in Korea efficiently and can also lead their everyday life without any language problems. Based on the EPS topic score, they make a list of eligible foreign job seekers who can then apply for jobs and get proper working visas or E9. Which countries conduct the EPS topic exam? Korea selects workers from countries like Laos, Cambodia, China, Philippines, Mongolia, East Timor, Vietnam, Thailand, Indonesia, Nepal, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Uzbekistan, and Kyrgyzstan. How many times EPS is conducted in a year? It can be conducted 1 to 3 times or more a year, depending on the requirements of foreign workers in Korea. What is the eligibility for EPS topic? A person should be aged between 18 and 39. A person should not have any criminal record in relation to a serious offense punishable by imprisonment. A person should not have any past records of deportation or departure under a departure order from the Republic of Korea. A person should not be subject to a travel ban in his or her home country. A person should fulfill the eligibility requirements decided by both countries. What is the structure of the EPS topic test? EPS topic test duration is 70 minutes and total marks are 200. The test has 2 sections, listening and reading. The listening section of EPS topic has 25 questions for 100 marks, and the time for this section is 30 minutes. The reading section of EPS has 25 questions for 100 marks, and the time for this section is 40 minutes. All the questions are multiple choice where you have to choose one right answer out of 4 options. The EPS topic tests 1. Basic communication skills, 2. Knowledge of words and phrases used in industry, and 3. Understanding of Korean business and work culture. What are the passing criteria? You should get 80 out of 200 marks to pass, but the final selection will be done depending on the requirement and number of applicants. To learn more about EPS topic, discover Korean language, culture, how you can work in South Korea, and more. We're conducting a free step-by-step guide and